What's happening, everybody? Today I want to share with you my favorite exercise for warming up my brain when I first sit down to the drums every day. It's an exercise that's based on Mark Guiliana's 7 sounds exercise, but I like to call it the 15 sounds exercise because I add in the left foot on the hi-hat. By adding another limb, the total number of permutations available to us are 15 if you don't count the quarter note rest at the very end, but you'll see it displayed on your screen right here. This is part 1, single limb permutations. And let's start by playing the basic groove for this exercise. Since the final combination is a simple quarter note rest, we'll omit that from the exercise and just play 2 bars of the groove between each cycle. Now, 3 limbs will continue playing their respective parts, and with our 4th limb, we'll play 1-beat permutations of 16th notes for 1 measure at a time, starting with quarter notes on the bass drum. Now with the hi-hat, now with the ride cymbal, and finally with the snare drum. But anytime the permutation corresponds with beats 2 and 4, we'll play an accent so the exercise feels more like a pop groove. What I love about this exercise is it's simple, easy to remember, and it's a template that addresses a lot of physical barriers to coordination all at once. I like to use it to calibrate all of my limbs at the start of a practice session, or to address a specific coordination issue I may be having. Be sure to check out part 2, where we'll permutate 2 limbs at a time in unison. If you got something out of this, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.